Hi friends.
Hello kids, welcome to our word 567 AW567.
Today we will cover tips for coloring. For any picture, first try to draw a rough outline. Try to limit the number of colors from 3 to 5. Oil pastels fill the picture very fastly, but they can't control the pressure also. It will spoil the next pages sometimes. Try to use only crayons while coloring. Try to use triangular crayons which improves the finger grip of your child as it have pointed nibs. It ensures that they are coloring where they want to color. First teach your child coloring for basic shapes like square and rectangle, then go ahead with circles, curves and other common pictures.
It is the square. Let's color. Red. Let's color it on label.
Make a habit of using the non-writing hand to hold the paper at the place of writing to give good support. If the object which you need to color is very large in size, split it into parts by using midpoint and color one by one to ensure the correctness and completeness. First, color the edges, that is border for complete picture slowly. Then only color inside. It helps to maintain the border so that the color does not come out of the picture. Now when you color inside, it will not go outside even if you color fastly, as the border is already established. Always try to maintain the original shape while coloring. Don't just scribble with the only aim to fill the color in the picture. Always try to maintain the original shape while coloring. Rotate the paper as per your convenience and color. Fill the gaps in the final stage before highlighting the border. After finishing the picture, try to write on border slowly using black crayon so that the picture gets highlighted.
Can finish my square. It's a rectangle.
Rotate the paper as per your convenience and color. If you are drawing edge from one corner to another corner, don't go to the bottom directly. Leave the last 5% and draw that portion from down to up so that it covers correctly.
Let's look at the gaps and fill them.
Always train your child to find the gaps left and fill those gaps on their own. It will help them improve their observation and scanning skills. Make a habit to use the unwriting hand to hold the paper at the place of writing to give good support.
I finished my rectangle. I finished my rectangle. Is the rectangle? I cut the piece. It became square. But now I cut it. That's a rectangle. See? How is this?
dark shades for shadow areas and bright shades for the main area. If you are coloring for teddy or any animal, draw a curve between two eyebrows and fill in those curves to give a better shape for face.
I colored my teddy. I got real teddy too. Teddy has round face like me. Like this. Same. Do you like it?
Finally, practice overlapping images, first by understanding what the image is. For example, if an aeroplane is flying in the sky, the window should show the sky color, so it should be blue. If there is a car parking near the tree, the glasses of car should show like green, which is the grass color. It will help to understand the images and improves their imaginary skills so much.
If you like it. If you love it, you can subscribe. Just tap here, go back. If you want another Apple video, subscribe here. Thank you. Bye. Please share, subscribe to my channel.